Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a collaboration. I'm participating in the Spring Clean With Me series, which is hosted by the lovely Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. She asked in the month of March that we clean a designated area in our home every Tuesday. This Tuesday it is the kitchen, so you see me here in my kitchen. I am so excited about this collaboration. I have been enjoying all the other collaborations. Please make sure you go to Kimberly's channel and show her some love, and the other participants. Right here is a drawer in my kitchen. I know we all have a junk drawer, but it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4 junk drawers. So I'm starting off here giving this kitchen a good cleaning and get all this excess junk out of here. It's amazing how much trash that you can accumulate over time. These 4 drawers, guys, was packed to the max with miscellaneous junk. I am so glad Kimberly came up with this collaboration to get me motivated to get my kitchen and other areas in my home cleaned up. Right here, guys, I'm going to take this toothbrush and clean in the corners and around the knobs real good. And I'm going to do this process on all the cabinets in my kitchen. In this cabinet right here, I have some of my coffee mugs and my seasonings, and I'm just clearing it out. This area was really junk up, guys. I'm going to give it a good wipe down and declutter all this unnecessary stuff inside of this cabinet. Sorry about the lighting here, guys, but I have the cabinet all cleaned up and I'm taking out a shelf. These shelves are removable and adjustable, and I'm taking one out so I can give it a deep cleaning right here because it had a lot of stains on it. And then I'm going to put it back into the cabinet. So here it is all nice and clean, and I'm putting in some shelving so we can organize our spices and some of my coffee cups and some other glass containers that I had in this cabinet. I did share in the video with you some of the items that I use to clean my kitchen, but right here I just want to give you a close-up of all the items that I'm going to be using. Most of the items are from Glove Collaborative, the Mrs. Meyer's brand. I love those products so very much. Like I said, I just wanted to give you a close-up of my cleaning products. It is the next day, guys. That's why I have on different clothing. So today you will see me just finishing up in the kitchen, cleaning up some dishes that I had in the sink. I will do some vacuuming and mopping, and then I'll just give you an overview of the kitchen. I have completed my spring cleaning, guys, and I just want to give you an overview of how the kitchen came out. I also want to say thank you once again to Kimberly Davis with Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting such an awesome collab. Make sure you look in my description box for the playlist and Kimberly's channel. Go over to the other ladies' channel and show them some love. I'm just giving you a quick overview of the kitchen and how everything came out. My microwave is looking good. My oven is looking good. I am so enjoying this cleaning series. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.